Hi everyone, welcome back to our Home Care 101 Crash Course video series. This series is meant for all of the men and women who are now caring for a senior in their life, whether it's in their home or out in the community. We're here to help you. Just because we are all self-distancing doesn't mean that we are in this alone. So keep that in mind. I'm going to be talking about 3 different foods that you can start incorporating into meals that will help build your immune system. We all know that the right nutrition is what is going to help our body stay strong and stay active during this time. So we want to make sure that we're getting the right nutrition. First and foremost, try to incorporate more broccoli and leafy greens into your meals. Broccoli and leafy greens really help the body ward off any infections or any viral infections. Definitely important right now. Second, look at maybe incorporating some mushrooms into your meals. Both the caps and the stems of a mushroom hold really great nutritional value. They actually have active chemicals in them that help activate your immune system. So it'll kind of rev the engine of the car a little bit. It'll rev up your immune system and really keep your body healthy and strong. And then last thing to try and incorporate would be tomatoes and any type of citrus fruit. They are packed with vitamin C. And vitamin C is what really boosts your body in fighting off any bacterial infections or viral infections. So again, we want to try and incorporate broccoli and leafy greens, mushrooms, both the caps and the stems, and tomatoes and citrus fruits. Try as much as you can to get these in, even if it is blended into a smoothie. That's all I've got for today, folks. You will find me back here tomorrow. Hope you guys are staying safe and hopefully entertained.